Hi everyone, today I'm reviewing the Ikea Bilresa remote control. These are Matter remote controllers. You can just basically connect it to any Matter supported home ecosystem. So like Apple Home, Google Home, Alexa, Samsung Smart Things. Now, I have four of the colors that they offer. Three of these right here are in a triple pack, and this one's sold separately. So if you're interested in a white one, or you want three of these, three white ones, you have to buy them separately. They do cost slightly more than if you bought them in a three pack. Now this is a brownish cream color, so it's a little off from this. But if you don't care about color, you need multiple, you should opt for the triple pack. Now, this is pretty simple remote. It has a bigger button on top, small button on bottom. Um, there's a magnet, so this thing is actually a magnet. So if I take it off, it's actually a magnet. So it's magnetic to it, and you can just put this on a wall, and you could just attach it to it. Now, the thing behind this is the Matter code. I'm not going to show it, but that's how you scan to pair a device. Okay, and there's that. Now, this controller has essentially six functionality in total, right? So you can do a one click, double click, and a hold. The same goes for the bottom one. So in total, there's six different combinations. And I'll show you in the Apple HomeKit what you can connect those to. This controller, to change the battery, you basically put like a flathead screwdriver right here, push it, and put the batteries in. I don't remember if this is a AAA. I think it's two double AAA batteries. Now, all of Ikea's Matter devices, the ones that don't plug in, use the rechargeable battery, which is great. You don't have to use any of those, watch cell battery, the CR like, was it 2032 batteries? You just use regular AAA, AA's. This over, and now this is what you see in HomeKit. So let me just shift this over here, and like that. Now HomeKit, you can see that there's a single, double, long, single, double, long. And this is the model, the Birria dual button. So I'll show you, once it's focused, I'll show you what it does. So if I click once, you'll see it register. I click twice, it's right here. I do a long click, and boom. Same thing it does for bottom. So if I click once, register, double, and then long. Boom. So you can set six different functions. And that's pretty much it. It's very responsive, as you would expect from a Matter device. It connects over Thread, so you have to make sure you have a Thread border router. So what are Thread border routers? Those are ones that connect using a Thread protocol, so it doesn't use Bluetooth or Wi-Fi. Some examples are like the Apple TV model with the Ethernet cable. I'm not too familiar with other home ecosystems and which ones are border router. I know some Alexas have it, so you just have to make sure you have those. If you ever have them, you can just connect this to it. It pairs very easy, scan it, add it to your home thing. This thing also works in Home Assistant. I don't really have it set up to do anything in Home Assistant because I can set it up in HomeKit. But that's pretty much it. I do recommend it. This single remote I think is like $6. You have three of these for $15. So you got three, and I like how they're different colors. Not necessarily these colors, but I like how they're different colors so that you can have one for, say, your bedroom, living room, I don't know, garage, office, stuff like that. Yeah, overall, very good quality build, I think, too. The plastic doesn't feel very cheap. When I click it, it doesn't feel like, actually very satisfying. Click it here or here. Very satisfying click. I had originally thought that this was like a light. I've never seen it light up, so I don't know what this is. I think it's just a pivot point for it. But yeah, overall very good controller. A lot cheaper than what you get from other like Akara controllers. I think those are what, like at least $10 or up, $20, $30 maybe. This is just $6. If you don't have an IKEA near you, you can order these online. I believe that you might run into an issue where you have to buy a minimum amount for it to ship. This triple pack is actually pretty out of stock in a lot of places. I was only able to get this by going to the actual store. This one, I believe you can find it readily online, so you can order it to your house. But yeah, if you're looking for this, try to monitor the store's inventory. But yeah, I hope you liked the video. Let me know if you have any other questions, but this is just a very basic remote control, and there's nothing really fancy about it. It's also indiscreet, doesn't have any labeling, which I like. And yeah, let me know if you have any other questions, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Bye, everyone.